Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to build a security camera. So I'm not going to do that elite stuff. So like I'm not gonna build an entire thing. So yeah, let's get started. So all you wanna do, hit J, create a new part. That's it, 0.1. Alright. Copy it. Alright, then we're gonna make my part there. I'm gonna see how it's so hit texture, add texture, -500. This is a 9 part. So then you group them, say wire connection. Now you have 62. So I'm gonna build a monitor really quick. So let me just do that real quick. I'm gonna create the computer. This requires 2 parts. Alright, so this one's gonna be 9, the front screen, that's the neon, and the back piece is gonna be 8. So we group those. Alright, now that you got that, hey, hold on. I did it wrong. This one's 8, and this one's 9. Alright, there. So now we can see out of this camera. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to join our Discord. Link in the description, but this is my username. Or you can join by code. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Yeah. Thanks.